Welcome to DentiMax. In this video, I'm going to go over setting up recurring revenue goals. To begin, I'm going to open the scheduler screen, and in the options menu on the left, I'm going to click View Scheduled Revenue. The Scheduled Revenue screen allows you to view what you have scheduled for production according to the appointments currently on the schedule, posted charges according to what you've actually completed and added to people's ledger, and posted payments, which is also what you've actually posted into the software. Typically, these calculations are based on date and accumulate for the month. You can also break them down by provider or toggle between providers here on the side, in addition to what function you'd like to view. For those offices who are interested in setting a daily goal for any of these categories, you're able to do so simply by clicking on the date you'd like to begin with and then selecting Set Daily Goal. Once you pull up this screen, you're able to enter what you'd like to have as your goal for scheduled charges, and posted payments. Let's say, for example, our goal is to produce, or at least scheduled to produce, $5,000 in production every day. We can say of that $5,000 that we'd like to schedule, we would like to see $4,000 actually produced. So sometimes there's some room or margin of error where you're planning to do a root canal, but you see the patient and it turns out that it's something you need to refer out, or for whatever reason you're not able to complete it that day. You can also set a goal for how much in payments you'd like to collect every day. If you're an insurance-heavy office, $4,000 in charges does not necessarily equal $4,000 in payments. If you're a cash-based office, then I would say your posted payments should be somewhere around what your charges are for the day. Let's just say that we take a lot of PPO plans in our practice. I'm going to go ahead and put in here that we'd like to collect $3,000 per day because we know we have to write off some of the money that we are not collecting because of PPO write-offs. I can go ahead and hit save, and I will have set the daily goal for March 16th only. However, if I'd like this goal to carry through every day, I can click on the date here at the top, and it allows me to set recurring goals based on what I think makes sense. So you can do a daily goal, which includes Saturday and Sunday, or you can set a recurring goal that happens weekly, and you can go ahead and select the days of the week that you actually work, for example, Monday through Thursday. You can also do every 2 weeks if your schedule changes or fluctuates every other week. You can also do a monthly goal and set that goal for a specific day or date, every other month, every 3 months, yearly, or no repeating goal. You can see that this function is really flexible, and I'm going to go ahead and say I want this goal to be weekly, every Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, and Thursday for the next couple of years. So I'm going to go ahead and set this until 2023, and then we'll reevaluate. You can change it before that end date comes up. Just keep in mind you'll need to click on the date and make the changes from that point going forward. At the bottom of the repeating or recurring screen, you can review what you have currently set above. For example, this goal is set to recur or repeat every week on Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, and Thursday. Once I'm satisfied with my selections, I can go ahead and click OK and then save my changes. You're now able to see that every day I have a goal of production, which is what we're looking at now, of $5,000, and the red line indicates how close I am to that goal. You can see on days where I actually have some production scheduled, it's starting to fill up that line with a little more red, which means we're closer to hitting the goal. The same is true for the monthly goal down here at the bottom. If I toggle over to posted charges, you'll be able to see the same metrics, but for the charges specifically. So now my daily goal is $4,000 for charges, and clearly the 25th, we have several charges happening here. And as we proceed towards that goal, this line will go from red to yellow to green once you hit that goal. If we toggle over to posted payments, you can now see the daily goal change to $3,000 because that was our goal for collecting payments. And once again, the accumulation at the bottom here shows the monthly goal for posted payments is $30,000 versus $40,000 for posted charges versus $50,000 for scheduled production. If we toggle over to the other provider, you'll also see the same metrics set up because it is set for the practice specifically. Because we made that a repeating event on every Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, and Thursday for the next several years, if we move forward with our arrow over here at the top, you'll see that those same goals are set up for every month going forward. If you have any additional questions on how to set or view your daily goals and scheduled revenue, please give the training department a call at 1-800-704-8494 or email training@dentimax.com. Thank you.